Frocks and Frolics. Welcome to our brand new site. Old and new customers, I want to introduce you to how it works now. And I'm going to do an example here with the half apron. It's a free pattern for all our customers and it's a great little course. It's got loads more in than just a half apron. If you are an existing customer, you can click on the existing customer bar, but otherwise you'll have to fill in all your details. And most importantly, your email. That's how we recognize who you are. Old customers, please use the same email you've used at the secondary academy site so that the computer program can recognize you. Then you just tick the boxes for buying a digital product. That means it can't be exchanged once downloaded. There is no refund. And then you press buy now. Your order is received. Now what you need to press now is the login and register button, and this is where I don't want you to get confused. That's basically going to your account. You're already logged in through your purchase. Now you're in your account. Click on courses and you will find all your courses here that you've purchased. In unit 1 you will always have all your patterns. You can download them from there. Existing customers know I do a 1 file per size system, at least for children's wear. So you can just download the size that you need. In this case, it's just 1 file because it's an apron and it's for grown-ups. So it's a multi-size pattern. And you can just open that up and download it to your computer. You want to print it off with Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, please, at 100% or actual size. Then you can watch all the videos from there as well. It's very, very simple. You just press next lesson underneath it if you want to move on from, cutting out to sewing it together, etc. And that works really well. Now again, German customers, not all the German stuff will be on there just yet, so you can use the old academy, but any new product will not go on the old academy anymore. It'll be just here on the new one. And the secondary academy site that you've all been using so far will close down at the end of July, so make sure that you're all signed up and ready to go on this one so that it's not a surprise to you. All old customers have now been added to this new site, so you're all in the system already. All you need to do is reset your password by just trying to log in. The Academy is still very much a work in progress, so bear with us while we update that part of the site to the standard that we would like you to have as an Academy. We want it to be the best, so if you have any suggestions that you think that we could use while we're still fiddling about making it the best there can be, then please let us know. Anything that you are unsure of, just send an email and I will respond to you. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for your purchase and happy sewing.